So back again to this task, we're going to use the previous task 10x, copy paste that file, and then let's go to that specific report of 10W. So this task is going to focus on how to sort your data or specific fields. So I have explained in the previous video that we have two methods of sorting the data. So we have the first method, which is using the report wizard, and you're going to use a query to create it. And the second method is you're going to use the report itself. You're going to go to the design view and then select the group and sort, and you're going to sort your data. So both methods are okay, but there are some differences between them, in the final result. And so I'm going to repeat this two process as well here. So let's go first. I'm going to first start with this method. So I'm going to copy this file. So I have already made a new file with task 10y, and I'm going to use that file they asked for, which is task 10w. Control C, Control V to paste it, and I'm going to name it as W. And then let's open it and let's go to the design view over here. After you go to the design view, you will see that we're asked to make retail price in descending order and capacity in ascending order. If you had a look over here, there is nothing sorted. So let's go and sort it. So to sort now, while you're in the report time, you just can simply go to the report group and sort and add a sort over here. So the first level was to add it with the price. So I named it as retail price. So I'm going to choose it, and I'm going to set it as descending one, which is largest to smallest. Second one, so click again. That's going to be capacity, and you need to set it as smallest to largest. So done. And if you had a look now, this is descending while the capacity is ascending. So capacity is second level, so it's based on what you're having over here. For example, 499. So that's inside the 499, you're going to get ascending order of capacity 300 and then 400. That's the first method. Second method, you have that one that was previously explained over here. So in case you're done, you can skip to the next video if in case you want to understand, so carry on with me. So the another method is to do the sorting and grouping. Is just to create it from the beginning. So when you're going to create the report, so click on the report wizard and then go and select on base what file you want to create it. So basically I was going to do it on the task file, which is supposed to be on, okay, so I was doing on 10W, then I have to see what is equivalent to 10W. Alright, so I'm just going to use one of the latest queries. So my purpose is just to show you the difference. So click on next. Over here they will ask you if you want to do any grouping. No. Alright, here's where we're going to do the sorting. So you have to select the first level, which is supposed to be based on retail price, and we need to set it as descending. The second method, we're supposed to do it as capacity. We need to set it as ascending. After that, next, and then next, and you may change the name because I already have the report with the same name, so I'm just going to put it as 2, as it is we're using the second method over here. So let me just sort it a bit, format it, and then I will show you the difference. So that's it, that's after formatting. And then if I show you the difference now, you can see that's during the query design, and that's during the report wizard. So you can see that here the columns has changed. These two columns have changed their location. So I set this as to be sorted, and then the second level to be capacity to be sorted, and they got as a priority to become to the front columns, and then the rest will follow. So in case your question have a format that you already organized your fields in a specific order, and you want your column to be brought in the same order as well, so do not set it while you're creating the report from here, but do go during the report is ready, and then go to the query design here, the design view, and do change it from here. Okay, in case you don't have any specific format or any specific order, you can just quickly go and set it from here. So it's up to you. What do you prefer, or what your question is asking you? We have these two methods, and whatever is convenient or matching with your question paper, go ahead and do it. So that's the end of this paper. Let's move to the next paper and see you in the next task in the next video.